using the Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Color Blonde and with the maximum lightening cream. That's actually really important. And then here on the side you can see, you know, how light your hair will go based on how dark your hair originally is, but I wouldn't really pay too close attention to that. I have a dye in already, but my hair is naturally like really black, but it usually lightens it to where the rest of my hair is. I combed my hair and now I'm just dividing it into 4 sections because that makes it easier to apply the dye. I just do it my way. So this is just me showing you a slower clip of how I put the dye on my hair. I use really thin sections and just saturate the root until I feel like it should be so wet it should be sticking to your head, and then I just move on to the next section. Pieces and pages talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift to 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the nose break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Better day than yesterday. It's so light. Yes, I was feeling myself. I just feel like when I get my roots done, it just gives me a certain oomph. Like, I don't know. It just gives me something. I just feel elevated on the next level. Nobody can tell me nothing. This is the final result. I just washed my hair, conditioned it, put a little grease in it, and that's it. Still love, still love.